Hey there, my name is Jaime Reynolds and this is my YouTube channel. I'm an artist, designer, and teacher that offers both in-person workshops and these online classes. This channel focuses on watercolors for beginners and basic technique with lots of florals and inspiration from our natural world. These lessons are an invitation to learn more about the world outside and your own internal landscape. I love to pull from my background, both as an art school graduate and as a yoga and meditation teacher for many, many years. My goal here is not only to provide you with tools to technically improve your pieces, but also to facilitate a very intuitive and confident way of painting. This is a super hard medium to get when you're just starting out, and it can kick up a lot of self-doubt and anxiety. I've learned through keeping with this creative practice that the same techniques I was using to overcome these fears on my paper could be applied to my daily life. So just keep that in mind as we move forward, and check out the description box to see my most used supplies and other resources like my website, jaimereynolds.com. Quick side note, like most people, I would rather not be on camera, but I'm gonna brave it for y'all because I really believe that these teachings should be accessible. If you'd like to support me back, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.